Okay, girls, how are you all? Today we will start with lesson number 7, multiply using partial products. So please bring your books and open your books on page 99 and let's start together. Okay? So now we will multiply, or we will learn today how can you use place value to multiply a number by one digit number. So in this lesson we will learn how to multiply a multi-digit number with one digit number by using the place value or partial products. So let's start together. Open your books please on this page and let's learn together how I will multiply those numbers. So if I want to multiply here 6 with 182, 6 multiply 182. First thing I have to do is estimation, as we learned. Why I want to use estimation right here? Why I want to find estimation? I want to find estimation to know here the answer will be around this number or this estimation. Okay? So to know the answer or the final answer that I will find it here will be closer to the estimation. And that will help me to know if my answer is correct or not. Okay? So let's start now. Now I want to multiply 6 with 182. So first thing I want to find the estimation. So I will round 182 into the nearest 100. So if I want to round it into the nearest 100, this is the hundredths digit. Before the hundredths I have 8. 8 is greater than 5. That means I will add 1 to the hundredths. So it will be 1 plus 1 equals 2. And the digits before the hundredths will be 0. So if you round this number, the answer will be 200. Now, 6 multiply 200. 6 multiply 200, I have to multiply 6 with 2. And the answer will be what? 6 multiply 2 equals 12. Excellent, Lana. That's right. Thank you. And put 2 zeros next to the answer. So, look, the estimation is 1,200. Don't forget the comma. So, the final answer, I know it will be close to this number. Close to the estimation, okay? Now, let's start the multiplying. Okay, in this strategy, I have to order the numbers vertically like this. I have to order the numbers vertically. I will write first the number or the multi-digit number up, and I will write the one-digit number under it, okay, under the ones digit. So I have to order the one-digit number under the ones digit and write the multiply symbol and put a line leader like this and start multiplication. How I will multiply this number? Please focus with me, okay? Focus with me now to know how I will multiply a one-digit number by whole number, okay? Let's start. First thing, if you multiply the number by each digit, you have to multiply the one-digit number by the value of this digit, okay? By the value of this digit, okay? So, if I want to multiply 6 with the number in hundredths digit, that means I have to multiply 6 with what? What is the value of this number? 1 in hundredths digit. To find the value of this number, I have to multiply 1 with 100, okay? 1 with 100. So here, to find this, I have to multiply 6 with 100. The answer will be what? Thank you, Sama. Excellent. So I will multiply 6 with 100. That means it will be 600. Okay? This is the first number. Now, what about the number in the 10th digit? The number in the 10th digit. After that, I have to multiply the 6 with 8 tenths. 8 tenths means what? I have to find the value of this 8. The value of 8 in 10th digit equals 8 multiply 10. That means it will be 80. Okay? 80. Okay? Now, I want to multiply the 6 with 80. That means I will multiply 6 with 8 and put the 0 next to the answer. 8 multiply 6 or 6 multiply 8 equals what? Equals 48. Okay? And put 0 next to the answer, so it will be 480. 480. So I will order this answer under the first one. Okay? Under the first one. So I will order 480 under the 600. Okay? This is the second answer. Okay. Now the last one. The last one. I have ones digit. And the value of the number in the ones digit equals the same number. The value of the 2 equals 2. That means I want to multiply 6 with 2. 6 multiply 2 equals what? Equals 12. Thank you, girls. Excellent. Equals 12. So I will order this 12 under the 2 answers right here. So it will be 1 under the tens and 2 under the ones. Okay? So, to find the answer for this multiplication, I have to multiply each digit, the value of each digit, by 6. Okay? So I have to multiply here first the 1 in thousands digit, the value of this one, this hundreds digit. So I have to find the value of this number equals what? Equals 100. 6 multiply 100 equals 6 multiply 1 equals 6, and put 2 zeros next to the answer, so it will be 600. Then to multiply 6 with number in the 10th digit, the value of the number equals the number multiply 10. That means 8 multiply 10 equals 80. Multiply 6 equals what? 8 multiply 6 equals 48, and put 1 0 next to the answer, so it will be 480. So I have to order this number under the first one. Okay? The last thing, I have to multiply 6 with the number in the ones digit, which is here 2. The value of the number equals the same number. That means 6 multiply 2 equals 12, and order the answer under the next one. The last step, I have to add all answers. I have to add all answers. How I will add all answers? I will start with what? With ones digit. 0 plus 0 equals 0, plus 2 equals 2. So I have 2 in the ones. Now 0 plus 8 equals 8, plus 1 equals 9. So it will be 9 in the tens digit. Now 6 plus 4 in hundreds digit. Put 6 in my mind and 4 on my fingers and count. So the answer will be 10. Thank you, girls. The answer will be 10. Okay. So this is the final answer. The final answer is 1092. 1092. So this is how I will multiply a one-digit number with whole number. Okay? So please, if you have any question, type it in the chat box quickly. Type your question in the chat box, girls, if you have any question. Okay, type it in the chat box, please. Step 4, you want me to repeat step 4, Zen? Okay. Zen said that she want me to repeat it. Okay. Step 4, after I multiplied. Okay, Bisan. Okay. So after step 1 and step 2 and step 3, I have to multiply the one-digit number with each number, or with each value. Okay, so I have to find the value of each number. So the number in the hundreds, the value of the number, I have to multiply the number with 100. The number in the tens digit, I have to multiply the number with 10. The number in the ones digit, I don't have to do anything because the value of the number equals the same number. So I have to multiply here 6 with each value, okay? So after that, I have to find the whole answers for those steps. Then after that, what I have to do, I have to order the answers under each other and add the answers, okay? So I have to add once. So 0 plus 0 plus 2 equals 2. 0 plus 8 plus 1 equals 9. 6 plus 4, put 6 in my mind and 4 on my fingers and count, okay? So I have to count after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the answer is 10. So this is the final answer for multiplication, okay? So look, my answer is close to the estimation. Let's mean my answer is correct. 1092 close to 1200. That's mean my answer is correct, okay? Okay, girls? Now, if you finish this page, type 1 in the chat box, please. If you finish writing. Okay. Okay, girls. Now we will solve another exercise, so you will find it easier, okay? I will repeat the same steps, okay, girls? So focus with me. I will repeat the same steps. So focus with me, please. Now I want, this is the page 100. This is page 100, okay? Now, I want to multiply, in this example, to multiply 4,572. So please focus with me, girls, okay? Now, I want to multiply one-digit number with 4 digits number, okay? So I will multiply, or first thing, I will estimate. I will find the estimation, okay? So how I will find the estimation? I will round the number 4,572. I will round this number into the nearest thousand. So this is the thousands digit, 4. Before it, I have 5. 5 equals 5. And I told you, if the number before the digit equals 5, I have to add 1 to the digit, and the other digits will be 0. So that's mean I will add 1 to the 4, so it will be 5. And the other digits before it will be zeros. So those zeros. Then I will multiply. Okay? Then I will multiply. So 2 multiply 5,000. 2 multiply 5 equals what? 2 multiply 5 equals what? Equals 10. And I have to put 3 zeros next to the answer. So it will be 10,000. I will repeat it again. Okay, please focus with me. I will repeat this point, Noura. Then if you have a question, type it in the chat box. Now, how I will estimate the answer? How I will estimate the answer? I have to round the larger number or the whole number. Here, the number is 1,000 number. So I will round it into the nearest thousand. Where is the thousandth digit? Here, there it is. Here, 4. So I have to look at the number before it. This is the number before it, 5. I told you in rounding or round numbers, if the digit before or if the number before the digit equals 5, that's mean I will add 1 to the digit and the digits before it will be 0. Okay? So add 1 to the 4, it will be 5. And the numbers here will be zeros. So the estimation, or if you round this number, it will be 5,000. Now I will multiply 2 with or by 5,000. 2 multiply 5 equals 10. And put 3 zeros next to the answer, so it will be 10,000. This is the estimation. So the final answer right here that I will find it, it will be close to this number. It will be close to 10,000, okay? Now we will start the multiplication. I want you to focus with me, girls, please. Okay, now, all the time here in partial quotient, I will start the multiplication with the larger digit, which is here the 1,000. So if I want to multiply 2 with 4,000, I have to find the value of each digit. What is the value of 4 in thousandths digits? What is the value? The value of 4 in thousandths digit, I have to multiply 4 with 1,000. So it will be 4,000, right? Thank you, Rina. That's right. Now I will multiply 2 with 4,000. Okay? This is the way, girls. Now, how I will multiply number with thousand number? I will multiply 2 with 4. So it will be what? 2 multiply 4 equals 8. And put 3 zeros next to the answer. So it will be what? 8,000. Okay? So I will write here 8,000. First answer. Okay? This is the first answer. 8,000. Now, after that, I want to multiply the number 2 with the hundredths digit. The hundredths digit equals 5. So I have 5 in hundredths digit. What is the value of this number? 5 what? Thank you, Rina. That's right. 5 hundredths. Because I have to multiply 5 with 100. So it will be 500. Thank you, Zain. Thank you, Kinda. So it will be 500. Now I will multiply 2 with 500. Okay. Now, how I will multiply a number with hundredths number? 2 multiply 5 equals what? Equals 10. 2 multiply 5 equals 10. And I have to put 2 zeros next to the answer. So what is the answer for this multiplication? 1,000. 1,000. So I have to write the answer under the first one. So I will write it. And order the digit under each other. The ones under the ones. The tens under the tens. The hundredths under the hundredths. The thousands under the thousands. Okay? And the comma will be after 3 zeros. Okay? After 3 zeros. Now, I will multiply the number with tens number. 7. 7 in tens number or in tens digit. What is the value of this number? What is the value of the 7? It will be what? It will be 70. That's right, girls. 70. Not 17. 70. Because I have to multiply 7 with 10. 7 multiply 10 equals 70. So I will multiply here 2 with 70. 2 multiply 70. I have to multiply 2 with 7 and put 1 0 next to the answer. 2 multiply 7 equals what? Equals 14. Okay, and put 1 0 next to the answer. So the answer will be 140. So I will write it here, 140, and order the numbers. The last thing, I want to multiply 2 with 1's digit. 1's digit is 2. So I will multiply 2. The value of the 2 equals 2. 2 multiply 2 equals what? Equals what? Equals 4. Thank you, Zain. That's right. So I will write the final answer under the 1's digit. Okay? Now, I will add all answers. So I will add all answers. Let's add starting with 1's digit. 0 plus 0 equals 0. Plus 0 equals 0. Now, 0 plus 4 equals 4. So I will write 4 in the 1's digit. Now, 10's digit. 0 plus 0 equals 0. 0 plus 4 equals 4. So I will write 4 in the 10th digit. Now, 0 plus 0 equals 0. 0 plus 1 equals 1. So I write 1 in the hundreds. Now, 8 plus 1 equals what? 8 plus 1 equals 9. So I write 9 in the thousands digit, and don't forget the comma. So look, the final answer right here, 9,144, and the final answer is close to the estimation 10,000. That's mean my answer is correct. Okay, girls? Okay, if you have a question about this example, type it in the chat box. How 9 in the thousands digit? I have 8 and 1. 8 plus 1 equals 9. Okay? If you have a question about this example, please type it in the chat box. Okay, Bisan, I'm waiting. Type your question, because we will move to example 1 in the same page. Okay? No questions, girls? Okay. Okay, Noura, type your question, please. Okay, type your question, Dana. Now we will move to example 1. Okay, we will move the homework. I think Noura asked me about the homework. Okay, the homework, today I think we will not finish the lesson. So there is no homework today for this lesson, okay? طيب. Let's start with example 1. Let's start with example 1. Okay, Dana, focus with me in this exercise, okay? Focus with me to know the steps. Now, use the model to find the answer for this multiplication. 2 multiply 137. 137. So I want to find here the multiplication. So I have to multiply the number with each digit. Let's start with this one. Okay? So I will start with the largest digit, which is here the hundreds. Okay? Now, 2 multiply 1 in hundreds digit. what is the value of 1 here or in hundreds digit? The value of the 1 will be what? 100, right? The value of the 1 will be 100. So I have to multiply 2 with 100. 2 multiply 100 equals what? I have to multiply 2 with 1 and put 2 zeros next to the answer. 2 multiply 1 equals 2. And 2 zeros, that means it will be 200s, okay? This is the first answer. Thank you, girls. Excellent. Okay. Now, after that, I will multiply 2 with the tens digit, which is here 3. What is the value of the 3 here? 3 in tens digit. That means the value of 3 equals what? Equals, I have to multiply 3 with what? With 10. That's right. Excellent, girls. So 3 multiply 10 equals 30. This is the value of the tens digit. Now I will multiply the 2 with 30. How I will multiply 2 with tens digit? So I will multiply 2 with 3 and put 1 0 next to the answer. Excellent, Noura. 2 multiply 3 equals 6. And put 1 0, so it will be 60. So I will write it here. And you have to order the numbers. So it will be 60. Okay? Now, last digit, which is here, 1 digit or ones digit. Ones digit, what is the value of the ones here? The value of the ones equals the same number. So the value of the 7 equals 7. Now 7 multiply 2 equals what? Excellent, Noura. That's mean equals 14. Thank you, Duha. Thank you, Zain. Thank you, Bisan. So it will be 14. So I have to order all numbers or all answers. After that, what I have to do? I have to add all answers. Okay. 0 plus 0 equals 0. 0 plus 4 equals 4. Okay? So the ones here 4. Now 0 plus 6 equals 6. 6 plus 1 equals 7. Now, there is any hundreds right here under the 2? No, there is no hundreds. So I will take the 2 and write it as it is. So this is the final answer, 274. Okay? Thank you, girls. Thank you very much. Now, let's move to exercise 2. Let's move to exercise 2. I want you to share with me on the chat box, please. Now, I want to find the product or the answer for multiplication. And first, I want you to estimate the answer. Okay, let's estimate. How I will estimate the answer? I have to round the number. So let's round the number into the nearest hundred because this number is a hundredths digit or is a hundredths number. So this is the hundredths digit. Okay. Before the hundreds, I have 9. 9 greater than 5. So that's mean I will add 1 to the hundreds. It will be what? 1 plus 1 equals 2. And the digits before it will be what? 0. So it will be 200. Multiply 3. Now let's find it. 200 multiply 3 equals what? 3 multiply 2 equals 6. Thank you, girls. And put 2 zeros next to the answer. So it will be 600. Okay? Now, I I will start the multiplication. Now I will start with a hundred number, the hundredth digit. What is the value of the hundreds right here? 1 multiply 100. 1 multiply 100 equals what? 100. Multiply 3. Now 100 multiply 3, I have to multiply 3 with 1, so it will be 3, and put 2 zeros next to the answer, so it will be 300. This is the first answer. Thank you, girls. Thank you, Lana, Zain, Lana, Aryam, Hanuf, Bisan, Kinda, for participating with me. Okay. Thank you, Rimas and Duha. Thank you, Ghina. Thank you, Zena. Now, let's multiply with the 10th digit. The 10th digit right here is 9. 9, the value of this 9 equals what? 9 multiply 10 equals 90. Thank you. Now, 90 multiply 3. What is the answer? Okay. Who is the smart girl? Will give me the answer right here in the chat. 3 multiply 9 equals what? 3 multiply 9 equals, no, Lana, again. Again? Yes, that's right, Lana. Your answer is correct. Thank you. So, thank you, Kinda, also, and Bisan. 3 multiply 9 equals 27. And put 0 next to the answer, so it will be 270. Thank you, girls. Now, the last one, I want to multiply the number with the ones digit. Look, the ones digit equals what? Equals 0. So the value of the ones equals the same number. If you multiply 3 with 0, the answer will be what? 0. Thank you, girls. That's right. Now I will add all answers. 0 plus 0 equals 0 plus 0 equals 0. Now 0 plus 7 equals 7. 3 plus 2, put 3 in my mind and 2 on my fingers, the answer will be 5. So the final answer is 570, close to the estimation. So that's mean my answer is correct. Let's do number 3. Number 3. First thing, I want to estimate the answer. So I want to round the larger number into the nearest hundreds. This is the hundreds. Before the hundreds, what I have here? I have 7. Okay? 7 greater than 5. Thank you, Lana. 7 greater than 5. That means I have to add 1 to the hundreds. So 4 plus 1 equals 5. So it will be 5. And the digits before it will be 0. Now I will multiply 4 with what? With 500. 4 multiply 500. 5 multiply 4 equals 20. I will write the answer here. Okay? 20. And put 2 zeros next to the answer. So the final answer will be close to 2,000. Okay? This is the estimation. Let's start the multiplication. Now I will multiply with 4 in hundreds digits. So the value of the 4, it will be 400. Okay? 400 multiply 4 equals what? 4 multiply 4 equals 16. So it will be 16. And put 2 zeros next to the answer. So it will be 1,600. Okay? 1,600. Now, the 7 in tens digit. So, the value of the 7 will be 70. 70 multiply 4. Okay, now, 4 multiply 7 equals what? Equals 28. 28. And put 1 0 next to the answer, so it will be 280. Thank you, girls. The last one. 1 in 1's digit, that's mean equals 1. It will be 1 multiply 4 equals 4. Now I will add the answers. 0 plus 0 plus 4 equals 4. 0 plus 8 equals 8. 6 plus 2 equals 8. And there is no thousand, so I will take the thousand and write it here. So the answer is 1884, close to 2000. Okay, girls? So this is our lesson. We will stop here and continue tomorrow. You have any question, girls? If you have, please type it in the chat box.